you need to understand is that things are changing. I'm sure everybody is realizing that in your medical school curriculum. You might be hearing from your teachers that MCI has changed and they are teaching competency based curriculum. I'm sure you are hearing it from your teachers because now things are going to be very different. Earlier, the focus in Indian schools was more of what we call as vertical teaching, subject by subject, year on year subjects come. But now the focus will be on horizontal integration of subjects. Content will be taught based on organ system wise. Earlier, the focus was majority on written exams and how much you can memorize. And then, around 20% focus on practicals. But now it is not just about knowing how, it's about showing how and doing it actually. So more and more focus is shifting from rote learning to what we call as patient centered learning. If you enter your anatomy class, you need to know whatever I am learning today, how it is going to impact the patient. Okay, and that is what you need to understand. Okay, things are changing drastically and on a rapid basis. Okay, not only in your med schools but globally. All right, and which is why it is all the more important that you are ready for the change. I'm sure all of you are aware and have heard from your faculties that MCI, erstwhile MCI, did release this competency mapping. I have been speaking with faculties and deans of different medical colleges, and they have started the implementation. COVID has been a very different situation, but otherwise, yes, this is what I mean. In a general physiology lecture, where earlier the teacher used to teach from certain slides, people used to just learn, mug up, and just answer. Things have changed. Okay, things have changed. They need to present what exactly competency they are trying to teach. They need to have lectures, small discussion, if required bedside clinic, involve patient care in early years of MBBS. More importantly, earlier there was nothing called as vertical or horizontal integration. If a physiology teacher taught you anything, that's it. But now MCI expects that in a similar topic, you will have a biochemistry teacher coming in and pitching in, and a community medicine, which is a second year subject, coming in. So this is called as horizontal and vertical integration. Point is, how many of you or your medical colleges have implemented? We are not sure. But this is the reality, and this is how the next exam is going to be. So you need to gear up and focus and ensure that you are ready for this next examination. Okay, without getting a license, it's going to be very, very difficult. Clearing your license exam will be the first step. People have tried, but still we don't know. I mean, post COVID, things have changed. But yes, we are seeing this change, and ultimately, all the colleges across India are going to focus and ensure this new form of learning.